guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question. Hey Vanessa, do you know what the deal was with the free shipping flash event on March 15th? I didn't get a notification of any kind. No email, nothing in my feed, no notice in my news. What the hell? I only heard about it from another posher who said the notification disappeared right after she saw it. We both searched for any info, but none was found. Another posher told me that was for like an hour from 11 to 12, so I heard about it after the fact. She said there was no instructions on how to submit the free shipping, so what was the point of it? Just thought you might know. Thanks so much. Okay, so yes, since then, Poshmark has actually done this 2 times, and honestly, the first time I made a bunch of sales. I think I made 11 sales during that hour. I was able to send out a mass message beforehand using the My Shoppers feature. If you guys haven't used that feature, I highly recommend it. Maybe I'll do a video. Have I done a video talking about it? Maybe I'll do like a separate video just talking about how I use the My Shoppers feature. Anyway, I was able to send out mass message and I made 11 sales during that hour. First off, I saw it on Instagram. Somebody posted it and I'm like, oh, I haven't got a notification yet. What the heck? But I did end up getting a notification on my app eventually, and I also got an email about it. So I'm just going to read you guys what like the stipulations were, because there were some stipulations and it was kind of shitty. Just backing up, Poshmark offered free shipping on orders for 1 hour only. Like I said, they've done it twice since then. They did it on, I think this person said the 15th, and then they did it last Saturday too. So the main stipulation was this promotion does not apply to orders made through offer to likers. So I had a bunch of people that I had already sent an offer to. They're like, oh, you know, when I try to accept the offer, it doesn't give me free shipping. So I had to go and lower the price on the item in order for them to get the free shipping. So basically Poshmark wanted people to just buy shit outright to get the free shipping. Another stipulation that I saw, well, it said the purchase had to be $10 or more. I mean, that's understandable. This said free shipping applies to the first 10,000 orders that are placed within the promotion period. I know nothing about Poshmark's numbers. I don't know how many orders are placed every hour, but 10,000 doesn't seem like a lot to me. Yeah, like I said, it was only for an hour. Another shitty thing was that Poshmark only gave us, I think they told us an hour before when it was going to be. It would have been nice if we got like an email first thing in the morning saying, hey, it was going to be from this time. That way you could, you know, prepare more. You could let your buyers know. You could send out those mass messages. But yeah, I don't know the reasoning behind that. So yeah, they did it on the 15th, which was, what day of the week was that? That was a Tuesday. And then they did it on a Saturday. I thought I would have more luck on a Saturday, but no, I actually got more sales on that Tuesday that they did it. I did have luck with it, but I do think that there are a couple of things they need to work out. I think they need to give us more of a notice. Maybe even tell us like the day before. That would be great. They do that with, what's happening today? Oh, the Posh Fixings. They do that. They tell us, oh, tomorrow we're restocking our Posh Fixings closet, which that closet's a ripoff. The shit's so expensive. There's like cute things in there sometimes. I'm like, oh, I want to get this, but it's like $65 for a hoodie. It's like, I could make that fucking hoodie on my Cricut. Like, what? I think they need to give us more of a notice, and it should be longer than an hour, because that's not a long time. I think it should be for like a couple hours. Again, I had luck with it the first time, not the second time. So if they do it again, I would like to see those changes in place. But comment down below and let me know if you guys had luck with it, if you got notifications. I know a lot of people didn't get the notifications, so they were pissed. They're like, what the hell? I didn't know this was going on. Next question. Vanessa, I love your videos. Thank you, V. A couple of questions. I just tried to make a bundle for someone who liked 2 items. When I tried to do so, I got a notification. Sorry, this listing has been updated. Please try again. I checked to see if the likes were still there, and they were. Is this some sort of glitch? Additionally, okay, so that's your first question. Sorry, the listing has been updated. So usually that happens when you change the price of the listing or you change the size of it. You were the seller. You were making a bundle for someone. So did you change the info on those listings? If you didn't, then I would say yes, that's definitely a glitch. Other question, I recently come across some designer items. My cost of goods are so thankfully low. I don't know if it's worth to authenticate them or not, and hence my money pile gets bigger. What's your advice on such circumstances, and do you recommend a particular service? And if so, a hopefully affordable one, especially if it's multiple items. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, I do recommend getting things authenticated if you're not sure. There are Facebook groups that you can join, and people will help you authenticate stuff for free. I would try Facebook first, honestly, because maybe get it authenticated for free there. As far as services, I have used Real Authentication. I mean, it depends, I guess, on what you're looking to get authenticated. For bags and clothes, I've used Real Authentication. For things like sneakers, I know, hello? Sneakers, I know my husband has used the, I think it's called Check app, and then I think there's another one called Legit. And I definitely do recommend getting things authenticated because, you know, you want to be sure. You don't want to have a case open like, oh, this is a potential dupe. I don't know if any of these services offer a discount for multiple items. I've never had to authenticate multiple items at one time, so maybe they do. If any of you guys know, or if you know of any other authentication services, please comment down below and help V out. And the last question, oh my gosh, guys, shit was popping off on Instagram yesterday. I got so many messages from you guys asking. This person said, have you heard about the La Vie closet and the drama with it? I got a message from one of you guys a couple of weeks ago asking me if I had seen this closet before, and I'm like, oh no, that's weird. The person was like, how is this closet an ambassador when they don't meet all the criteria? I'm like, yeah, that's really weird. I don't know. But shit has been popping off with that closet. Apparently they're partnered. Actually, I'm going to go in and see if they still are. But apparently they were in this partnership with Poshmark where they offered a campaign. Let me see if it's still there. Yep, it's still there. It's it's La Via. Did I say La Vie? It's La Via. But they're offering a La Via unboxing campaign. They're giving away $10 in Posh credit to 25 users that unbox a purchase from the La Via closet on Posh Stories. It's like, what? Oh, on Posh Stories? So that's kind of weird. But apparently a bunch of people did some digging, and this closet is owned by the people that run Rue La La and Guilt, like those two websites. If you go to their Poshmark closet, there are a lot of unhappy people. I think they're doing like a drop shipping type situation because people are placing orders and then their orders are getting canceled. They're saying, oh, they're out of stock. So I don't know. That's the only thing that makes sense to me. Or maybe they just suck at knowing what they have in stock. I don't know like the full drama. I just know some things that I've seen on Instagram. And yeah, it's kind of weird. Poshmark has this relationship with them. They have 87,000 listings and they created their closet in December 2021. My husband's texting me. A lot of listings to create in 3 months. So yeah, so there's just something weird going on with that company, closet, whatever the hell it is. I don't know the full details. If I get more info, if you guys are interested, maybe I'll make a video talking about it. I know I'm not going to purchase anything from them just because of the shit that I've seen. Shady, something's going on. I don't know the full details. If anyone else knows, please enlighten us in the comments down below. But I would just maybe stay away from buying from that closet until shit gets figured out, if it gets figured out. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.